to Davao Elementary School. Whether you graduated recently or decades ago, you are an integral part of our school's rich history. Today is not just about looking back on memories of the past, but also about paying tribute to the successes of our alumni. It's a chance to revisit favorite stories and share experiences from our time at school. Through this alumni homecoming, we continue to retain the connection and camaraderie among each of us with our alma mater. It's an opportunity to show our ongoing support and love for the school that open doors of opportunity and success for us. Respected guests who have joined us tonight, alumni from every batch, former and new administrators, former and new faculty members, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to the third Grand Alumni Homecoming of Consulado Elementary School with the theme Tara na Pagkaurusa, Bisan Panalagsa, Singabugunta. To formally begin the program, let us all rise, bow our head, and feel the presence of our Almighty Father. Father through a prayer and remain true for the singing of the national anthem, which will be played through audio presentation. May I request everyone to stand. Macrona D. Lacandas. Let us give her our sounding applause.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the entire administration of Consuelo Middle School, I warmly greet and welcome you to our third ngayong aming magdating Tana Pagkaurusa, Bisan Paralaksa, Sinapunta. This year's theme is truly beautiful. That is an invitation not just to look back at the past, but also to embrace our identity as one family, even if we only get together occasionally. A school is not only a